Everyone. So market is still open, but yesterday I didn't record any video or such of anything. I didn't record any video of such of anything because I'm not. I was completely ill yesterday. Uh, but we earning seasons is back, and a few of the tech companies, TCS, I like to follow from TCS earning. You know, I like to follow from the TCS. When TCS reports its earning, it is generally a good time for great company starts to present. However, Q4 is very crucial earnings season. That's when it shows whether company is actually making money over the year or quarter. So, because most companies give excuse that don't follow this quarter, we will do generally the better in this quarter, and most who follow that, some don't. Okay, let's go anyway. I don't want to waste much time. So TCS reported earnings next week. HDFC, ICICI, Yes Bank, Wipro is where I am mostly looking forward to. I am looking forward to on April 16 for Wipro, HDFC. Nothing much. Yeah, nothing much. So we'll get to the TCS earning. TCS, despite doing good, they presented great earnings. I'm yet to see their full balance sheet. However, they did quite good. They beat. I think they didn't beat expectation as too much, but their guidance was very bad. I could see from their tour. They were planning so much investments into AI. The guidance was just saying it's a negative talk for TCS. TCS product. Their business is mainly to take the tedious task from other. They do mainly consulting. Take the tedious task. But AI, Claude AI for all my daily task. Chat GPT to create my thumbnail. Uh, uh, you know, is this. Uh, all this bullshit they do about AI, they got no AI. It's just a wrapper of AI. They can do AI services, but no AI. And what is the point of doing AI services when AI company can just automate it? The AI is to remove all the tedious work. What is the point of doing AI services? I don't understand. They got no real AI. To me, they don't have a real AI. And just a $300 billion cloud, $30 billion revenue companies beating TCS, beating. So it's actually a loss-making company. Anthropic is beating TCS day in and day out. I am not able. Yeah, Anthropic launched new model. Oh, I just love when these old grandpa style companies are getting actively being kicked on by this grandpa style uh, old grandpa companies. They're getting killed by this AI. I just love seeing that, bro. More AI agents come, the more this stupid, like they're not stupid, means they who still thinks that service industry, IT servicing is the key. Either they launch an AI services, which is just pathetic. They got no real AI, which they are talking about so much in their CNN, BCC. They got no real AI. All their AI is they got a wrapper of other models. That's all. And they are not good proper AI. AI services is no deal. Yeah, they might do AI services. They might build data centers. But AI, there's no point of doing AI services when you can actively uh, actively reduce the dependency, uh, when you can actively reduce the dependency what do I say, automation. You can use manage AI, you can use NA10, which reduces your dependency on tedious work. You can automate that, so there is no need of an AI. This so what do you call AI services company. Uh, AI services company. Yes, they may build uh, uh, an AI automated workflow, but that just takes few 10 minutes. Few 10 minutes to do that. So that is about. I predicted 2026 will be break or make or break year for AI, and looks like 2026 will be a year for AI. I think AI is no longer just a term that is going to be called as what do I say? Just an NFT. Google, Meta, Amazon wouldn't be so dumb to invest billions in. Did Google into AI? Did Google invest 100 billion in Meta? No. Sorry, 100 billion in some monkey face NFT. No, it didn't. So AI is legit. 2026 AI will erase a lot of consulting jobs. AI will erase all the entry level jobs, and I am you got to learn AI. I feel strongly AI will be the first billion-dollar company to produce what do I say, uh, to produce a billionaire with just run by a single company. And uh, and coming to I was so happy that finally Q4 is back. I can talk something other than Iran war, but that is being affected a lot during uh, so let's get into, what do I say, where is good shorts forex. Yeah, not for good shorts. Crude oil is back to rising again. If you don't know the following, I was very sorry I couldn't record a video yesterday. I was planning to record a video, but I was not at all feeling ill. I was not at all feeling well today. I was having very bad headache, but today I'm feeling a bit alright. Crude oil is back to rising, and Iran is no shut the Strait of Hormuz. That is why we saw a big rally in crude oil yesterday, because Iran shut off Strait of Hormuz. Why at always at this bottom levels only we see, uh, only at this key support levels only, when crude oil crashes heavily, we see that Strait of Hormuz will be closed again, because Israel attacked Lebanon, and this is so confusing to me. US said that they will no longer attack uh, uh, Iran, and they are leaving, and negotiation went well. However, Iran didn't. Iran also agreed to they will open Strait of Hormuz again. But yesterday, Iran attacked Lebanon. Uh, Iran attacked Lebanon, and Iran attacked Lebanon, and yesterday Iran attacked Lebanon, and they see, and uh, Israel attacked Lebanon. What am I doing? Israel attacked Lebanon, and that uh, uh, caused Iran to close the Strait of Hormuz. Is this not a pure market manipulation? I have a doubt whether this war is even actually for the sake of market manipulation. Is it just to make Trump and his big hedge fund friends money, to make him billions? I am not sure. So let's leave it to that. And right when market crashed heavily, Nasdaq, Benjamin Netanyahu said they are open to talks with Israel on ready for peace talk with Lebanon. I I haven't seen this much manipulation. You attack him for one day and you're telling the next day that peace talk is happening. This is all just weird to me. So yeah, so that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Hopefully we get week week weekend is coming, so we will see some form of Trump did say something about escalation. If I can Trump Iran's latest tweet. I didn't open that tweet yesterday. I was planning. I'll open it. But Trump did say always at a weekend. Latest tweet. Iran is very bad. I think something. Iran is doing very bad job. Yeah, that one nothing. So this is what the tweet said. Uh, yes, I just watch it.
Traffic through the Strait of Hormuz has slowed to a crawl, raising fresh concerns over global energy supplies, despite a declared ceasefire between the United States and Iran. Ship tracking data shows minimal movement through the vital waterway on Friday, even as Washington and Tehran